Your server is dying and Linux isn't telling you why. I'm going to show you 10 most important tools you could use, which can help you identify what's happening to your system. One of my most favorite is htop. This tool helps you find the processes, clean your CPU or memory before everything freezes. And one of the reasons I like it is how color-coded everything is. It's easier to identify what you're looking for. The second tool is btop. This tool shows real-time CPU, RAM, and disk space, so you instantly see what just broke. Tool number 3 is iotop. This one you need admin right to be able to do it. This one reviews which process is destroying your disk speed when everything feels stuck. As you can see, everything live. In a different video, we are going to look at these tools individually in order to understand how they work. Tool number 4 is iftop. This one again, you need to use sudo admin right. This tool shows exactly who is eating your network bandwidth in real time. Next up is nmon. I love this interface so much. This one helps you spot repeating system slowdowns and hidden performance patterns. Then let us check glances. The interesting thing about glances is that it gives you full overview of CPU, memory, disks, and network in one screen. In other words, this tool can help you to monitor everything on one screen instead of switching between screens. Next, let us check vmstat. This one exposes memory pressure, swapping, and system overload before crashes happen, which means that this is very useful when it comes to preventing issues from occurring in the first place. Another tool we can take a look at is SAR. Again, this is actually very interesting too because this one shows what broke in your system even after the problem already happened. Now let us check dstat. Another interesting tool as well. This one tracks CPU, disk, and network together to instantly spot bottlenecks. So this is very powerful when it comes to monitoring all of these programs. Now the final tool we are going to review is htop. This tool records everything happening on your system over time so you can rewind and see exactly what caused the slowdown. Basically, this tool makes it easier for you to identify exactly what caused the system shut down or slow down. So it's quite a very interesting tool as well, and like I said, in subsequent videos we are going to look into these tools one after the other in order to see how we can put them into use. I hope you love these tools as I did. If so, can I ask you to subscribe to the channel and watch the next videos in order to see them discussed individually. Thank you.